Hello and welcome to this short presentation. The purpose of this video is to show you that the XBox Joystick can be used to control electrical machinery. In this case here we have a 3-axis mill. It has a X, a Y, and a Z axis. And over here are these are the controller cards, controllers for each axis. So you see 3 cards, 3 axes. This is for X, Y, and Z. And we have the software here that controls and also reads the position from the controller cards. Okay, so before I go any further, I want to give credit where credit is due. I downloaded the XBox Joystick. The author is Jean-Philippe Steinmetz. This is one of many programs out there on the open source. It provided a great framework to start with. It did require some modifications for the actual mill. So as a quick demonstration, we could run the mill. We can run one axis, which is the X. Okay, so we could even also run Y, and we could also run Z. Now we could also run 3 axes simultaneously. And this concludes the video and thank you for watching. Bye.